Good morning, students. Last time we were discussing the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication, and in that last video, we have discussed the experiment that was done by Messelson and Style, and in that they have used the E. coli and they used the medium that contains the heavy nitrogen N15. Now today we are going to discuss one more experiment, and that was done by Taylor, and that is simply called as the Taylor's experiment of semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. Taylor, along with his colleagues, they also demonstrated the semi-conservative mode of replication in DNA. Messelson only has shown us experimentally the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication only in DNA, whereas Taylor has shown us that the replication, semi-conservative mode of replication both in DNA as well as in chromosomes. So this semi-conservative mode of DNA replication, where the experiment has been done by DNA, done by this Taylor, he demonstrated that he shows that the replication of DNA as well as the chromosome is what we call as the semi-conservative, and the material he used, the root tips root tip cells, Vicia faba, VICIE, that's the name of the plant. What he has done, that after the incorporation of radioactive thymidine, that is heavy isotope of this hydrogen, the root tips, first उन्होंने किसके साथ किया, heavy hydrogen के साथ, the root tips of this Vicia faba, they were transferred to unlabeled medium. They were transferred to the root tips. First they were treated with this, then they were transferred to this unlabeled medium, and that unlabeled medium, it contains colchicine. It contains colchicine. Unlabeled medium, before this root in what we has done, after the incorporation of this radioactive thymidine, the root tips were transferred to unlabeled medium that contains this colchicine. Now what he has found, that the radioactive chromosomes appeared in the form of scattered black dots. What he has seen, that जो radioactive chromosomes थे, उनमें क्या थे क्रोमोसोम में, they have got labeled DNA. They appeared in the form of what we call as scattered black dots, and here we will see though DNA have got thymidine, and they were what we call as, they appeared in the form of scattered black dots of silver grains. Now after replication of DNA and constitution of the chromosome, following conclusions were drawn. So what he has done in this first, in order to prove that the DNA replication is semi-conservative, what he has done, जो उसके पास जो मटेरियल था, he did his experiment on the root tip cells of the Vakia faba, and what he has done after the incorporation of the what we call as the incorporation of radioactive thymidine, the root tips were transferred to unlabeled medium containing colchicine radioactive, what we'll see, radioactive chromosomes, जहां पर हम क्या देते थे, they have got the label DNA having this thymidine, yeah, this radioactive hydrogen, they appeared in the form of scattered black dots of silver grains. Then when the replication of DNA takes place and the constitution of these chromosomes, what he has found, he found some results. What the conclusions he draws certain, he found that in the first जो उसने देखा, he found that first जो result उसने देखा, it was found that in the first generation that radioactive was uniformly, that means this thymidine, it was uniformly distributed in the first generation, that this radioactive was uniformly distributed in both the chromosomes. और उसने क्या देखा, that in such cases original strand of DNA double helix was labeled with this thymidine. It was found in such case original strand of DNA was labeled with thymidine and newly formed. For example, I will draw, this was the one strand and this was the second strand. Now this was the original strand. What he found, that it has got H3 and जो न्यू स्ट्रैंड था it was unlabeled, ये वाला unlabeled था. दूसरा उसने क्या देखा, ड्यूरिंग सेकेंड डिवीजन ओनली वन ऑफ द टू क्रोमोसोम्स रिप्रेजेंटेड ओनली. पहले में उसने क्या देखा कि जो दोनों क्रोमोसोम्स थे they were uniformly, that they were radioactive and they were uniformly distributed. लेकिन during second division only one of the two, this is the one and this is the second chromosome, and this is the second chromosome. What he has found, that during second division only one of the two chromosomes is represented. This one, it is represented by radioactive isotope, that is radioactive by showing one strand radioactive ordinal, and the other जो है it was newly strand and it was what we call as the non-radioactive. So there are 50-50 chances, यहाँ पर भी 50-50 chances, यहाँ पर भी 50. So it is the semi-conservative. So what he has said in his experiment Taylor, that what he has said, that he did his experiment on the root tip cells of the Vakia faba. After the incorporation of radioactive thymidine, the root tips were transferred to the what we call as the unlabeled medium. एंड अब हम वहां पर उसने क्या देखा, जो रेडियो एक्टिव क्रोमोजोम, जहां पर हम देखते हैं जो लेबल जो रेडियो एक्टिव क्रोमोजोम, दे अपीयर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्कैटर्ड सिल्वर ब्लैक डॉट्स ऑफ सिल्वर ग्रेन्स, एंड आफ्टर रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ द डीएनए and constitution of the chromosome, some facts usne पाए, that some conclusions were drawn. In the first, what he was found, when in the first, it was found in the first generation that this thymidine, it was uniformly distributed in both the chromosomes. Very good, like this, in both the chromosomes, like this. In both the chromosomes, that thymidine was uniformly distributed. Now, in such cases, जो original strand of DNA जो था, it was labeled with H3 and the newly formed strand was unlabeled. Now, during second division, हमने क्या देखा? ड्यूरिंग सेकेंड डिवीजन ओनली वन ऑफ द टू क्रोमोसोम्स दैट वाज रिप्रेजेंटेड रेडियो एक्टिव एंड द अदर वन जो था इट वाज नॉन रेडियो एक्टिव लाइक दिस. So this was the experiment which also show that the DNA replication जो है it is semi-conservative, and this was done by the Taylor. So this was all about these two experiment which were done first जो हमने पढ़ा था Michelson and the Stair, and the second जो था that was done by the Taylor in order to show us that the DNA replication जो है it is semi-conservative. That is all about today's topic. In the next video we will proceed further. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.